Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of my tutorials. My name is Joseph Kwansa. I am a website designer. I design all kinds of websites for individuals, for companies, for all establishments at a very affordable prices. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online just by shortening URL. If you happen to visit YouTube, just type Penhubs in the YouTube search bar and then you will find my channel. Once you find my channel, just click on the subscribe button and then you will get a lot of videos on how to create paper account in Ghana or how to design websites without any coding. Alright. Once you also subscribe to my channel, you can as well click on the bell notification so that any video I produce, you'll be able to get the notifications right away on your phone or on your computer. Right. So once you subscribe, just click on this bell notification here so that once I produce any video, you will get notified of everything beforehand. All right. So today what I'm going to teach you is very simple. Just visit the website Shortening. All right. This website, I have been with this website and then it's really paying. So if you take it serious, you can make a lot of money here. Right. Once you type Shortening into the browser bar, right, you going to register. All right, so if you are doing it on your phone, you will see three lines here where you see the payment proofs, login, and then sign up. But if you visit the site on your computer, you see the sign up link straight away. All right, so once you get to this site, you can read a lot of info about them, and they pay through PayPal, Payza, Skrill, web money, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So if you don't have any of these, you can always come to my channel and watch how to create a paper account in Ghana. All right. If you create a paper account and then you'll be able to get paid from this site. So let's start the sign up process. Once you click on the sign up, you create an account, you'll fill your username, then your email address. You fill your username here, your email address, your password, and then enter your password, and then you click this verification box. So once you click this verification box, you'll be given some items to check and verify. Once you check and verify, you go and then click on agree. Once you click on agree, you can go ahead and then register your account. So once you register your account, you can go ahead and then log in. So since I have an account already, let me log into my account and show you what to do after registration. All right. Okay, so once you log into your account, let me show you how to shorten the URL. And the link you're going to shorten should be any URL you like. You can go online and then check for any link you like to shorten. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to get your own website to shorten it. You can go online and search for any funny link or any link which may be appropriate to share. All right, but don't share nude pictures or nude videos or anything, because if you read the guidelines here, it said we don't accept any traffic related to adult content. All right, so don't share any other content, but apart from that, you can share any other link to this website and earn. You see, this is my dashboard. I just registered this July. That is, I registered yesterday, and I shared a link. And look at the number of views I've gotten so far, and there's the earning. All right, so if you get about 1,000 views just for sharing the link, you can share your link either on Facebook or on WhatsApp group or anywhere you think people can have access to view it. So once you share your link, then you get about 1,000 views. You're going to get $20 straight away. All right. And the minimum payment, if you want to get paid, you can always come to withdraw. But let's first and foremost get to the stage where we can shorten our URL. once you log into your account, when you are using your laptop or any desktop, you click on link. You can click on new shorten link. So you can put any URL here, any link you want. Let's say I have this link here. I will copy this link. Once I copy, I paste it here. I will paste it here. Once I paste it here, I will click on shorten. Once I click on shorten, it will automatically shorten the link for me. So this is a short link for this whole long link here. All right, it is a short form. So I'll copy this link. I'll click here and copy this link. Once you copy it, you see it's copied. Okay, so I can share on WhatsApp group, on Facebook, and everywhere. Right. So once you share this link and people click on it, once you share this link with your friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, or everywhere, and people click on it, you're going to get paid. All right. So look at this. All right. Let's see. All right, so we go and you see we have returned back to this URL we first copied. All right, so this is so simple. Once we share this link and people just click on it and they come to the original website of where you copied the link from, you are just getting paid. As simple as ABC. There's no hard work involved in this. So friends, this is another opportunity you can utilize to make money online. And if you have some money in your account and then you want to withdraw, you can always come here, the withdraw section. All right, so there is withdraw section. This withdraw section, if you have at least $5, you can withdraw to PayPal. All right, so if your money is exceeding $5 or so, just click on withdraw. Okay, it said, are you sure? You click on okay. Okay, so you'll be asked to fill some forms and then you'll get your withdrawal earnings. All right, since I have not reached the minimum payout, it means I can't withdraw for now, but once I get a minimum withdrawal, I can withdraw to my PayPal account. So friends, this is so simple. You can also come to settings and do, if you come to settings, you can also change your profile, change your email address or some other password. All right, you can also refer people to also get more earnings. If you come to tools, you have other links you can also do here. All right, so you can also manage your links. Either the links you have done previously, you can come here and then also copy them and you're good to go. All right, so this is so simple, friends. You can do it. And if you want to also change your payment details, once you click on withdraw, once you click on withdraw here, you click here and then change your payment ID. All right, I have already added my PayPal. All right, so PayPal withdrawal, the minimum is $5. If you want to use Skrill, they will pay. You have to get minimum of $20 before you can withdraw. If you want to, this is for Indian. Okay, so if you want to use bank transfer, unless you get minimum of $20 before you can withdraw. So the easiest way is to use PayPal to just withdraw, because PayPal is a minimum amount, has a minimum amount here you can cash out. All right, so if you want to fill out your info for payment, you want to click withdraw and then you click on withdraw. You see a link where you'll be asked to fill your info. So you type your name, your everything, and then you choose a payment method here. We have PayPal, Skrill, and other things. All right, so thank you for watching. I believe you will be able to make a cool money here. And always don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So always subscribe and then click on the bell notification, so that any video I produce, you get it in as easy as possible. Thank you for watching once again. My name is Joseph Kansa. Goodbye.